One hand punch. Frame with one hand punch. Watch the optic. Watch the optic. Watch the optic. Watch the optic. Yes, 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 yes. Let's go. 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 Yes!
फाइटर चाहिँ घरबाट बन्छ क्या कसरी घरबाट बन्छ भन्दाखेरि फाइटर चाहिँ आमाहरूले बनाउँछ क्या हुन्छ नि फर्स्ट चाहिँ दे आर द फर्स्ट फाइटर जितेको पैसाले आमालाई हस्पिटल लानु छ केटा
Step back. Cross is there. Cross or step back and a level change. But don't shoot too low. Just body lock and push him to the
It's like you were the boxer over there. This guy, Manan, you know, Thank you very much. Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. As I end up with C6, I'm already bhai sake हैन हल्का सामानहरु लिएर जानु थियो I want to take this professional wraps किनभने त्यहाँ जुन wrap use गर्छ tape use गर्छ that is medical tape and it's very hard to like wrap it around so यो चाहिँ मेरो world championship मा मैले पाएको थिए I had a lot more मैले पहिलाको fights हरुमा चलाइसके so this is it also I'll be doing POV shot from my chest mount के खेल्ने भने के हो
खेल्ने भने हैन के
अनि
यस्तो नगर्नु न
अलि स्लिप खान्छ स्लिप गरेर प्याममा खान्छ अहिले
यस्तो गरेर मलाई यस्तो गर्न मन पर्छ नि त्यही भएर
ओके म रङ्गशाला आइपुगे सो दिस इज द सेटअप आई थिंक अझै रात परेपछि अझै लाइटिङहरु हालेपछि चाहिँ दामी देख्छ यहाँनिर I gotta search the fighters. They are, I think, too early, or maybe the show will start late. It's already 4, and fighters are sleeping right now, so we are here for the coffee. Baira, let's go with the team. So we just got some coffee.
Yeah, this is the best pre-workout, guys.
Yeah, we got coffee and aloo chana for our fighters. Aloo chana Nepali style ma हैन च्याप्पा हानेर नेवार्स भर्सेस नागाज हान्नु पर्यो नागाजहरुलाई भोलि नै फर्स्ट टिपमै पठाइदिइ हाल्नु पर्ने हो
They just need a voice. They just need a voice. And sometimes some coaches like they're not able to. Because cornering helps, bro.
Yeah.
If you're stuck in bad position. Because when you're fighting, you just have one vision, your opponent. But when you're watching from outside, you have third person views.
Yes.
And you're not enough in that chaos. So you can see more clearly.
Right. You need a good cornerman actually to like see that.
You need good cornerman, and then even the fighter has to listen to you. A lot of fighters they listen but they don't do it. Because they are not used to listening, basically. So you have to put a habit during your sparring session to go, oh, go, officials.
Good. खाएर आए खाना मजाले So these guys helping me to make pads, knuckle pads.
RDMS
So अमन भाइलाई ऱ्याप हान्दैछु म चाहिँ लेट्स गो नेपालको झन्डा फरफराएर आयो सही हो About one Nepal. So here are Indian team, Nepali team. Agal bagal. So this is ounce त लेखेको छैन तर it's probably 4 ounce I guess 4 ounce को gloves हुन्छ MMA मा a little bit padding half हुन्छ 15 पनि if you guys don't know so this is MMA gloves यो amateur को लागि हो all the best yes good alright all the best thanks sir
get two also, bro. Let's go, Rahul. Stay calm, huh? Take a forward, level change and fucking take him now. To your left,
go.
to your right, to your right. He's heavy on the lead leg, Rahul. Set up the kicks. Set up the low kicks. Move to your right, move to your right. Next time check it. You just have to lift your knee. Let him throw it. He's gonna not set it up. Let him throw it. Let him throw it. You check it. Just lift your knee up. That's it. Let's see how he feels then. Let's go. To your right. Yeah, you're walking into it. So when you're moving to your left, you're walking to his low kick. He doesn't need to set up. So yeah, southpaw. Let's kick his body. Off to your left. Off to your left. Off to your left. Let's go. Stay tight. Now you chop his leg. No problem. To your right, move to your right, to your right, to your right, to your right, jab and low kick. If he moves, go southpaw, chop his body kick. Let's go forward, 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 to your left, now to your left, now to your left, now to your right. Oi! No, that's it, no problem. Let him get up, take his back. Don't try to hold him down, don't try to hold him down. Chain it, let him get up, no problem. Alright, get your head in center. He's looking for the guillotine. Watch the guillotine. Slip your head. That's it. Position now. Get that Russian tie. Get that Russian tie. Long arm, short arm. 2 on 1 now. Punch, punch, punch. Bistari. Take it. Yes. Bistari. 1 shot. 1 shot. Keep that Russian tie. Yes. Bistari. Again. Keep your head up. Keep your head high. Bistari. Keep that hand. Yes. Again. Bistari. Take your time. He doesn't know anything. He's just gonna hold you there. Take your time. Now punch. Yes. Punch. Forehead on the chin. Punch, Rahul. Alright, get your forehead on the chin. Posture up and punch now. He's gonna throw triangle. It's not gonna work. Posture up and punch. Watch the up kick go. Punch him. 55 seconds, Rahul. Move with him. So he's angling out. We drilled it. He angles out, you're gonna move your hips with it. He angles out, you're gonna move. He's looking to get a triangle. Yeah, wall walk. Move with him. He's looking to wall walk. Okay? 35 seconds. Let's go. Punch him. Let's go. Score and punch. Back of the head. Left.
What's the back of the head?
Forehead on the chin. Again, back of the head. Now. Frame is with one hand and punch. Watch the up kick. Yes. Let's go.
It's okay.
Let's go!
Right?
मेरो तपाईँले हेरेछ त नि
आमाको लागि
यस्तो हुन्छ क्या फाइटर चाहिँ घरबाट बन्छ क्या कसरी घरबाट बन्छ भन्दाखेरि फाइटर चाहिँ आमाहरूले बनाउँछ क्या हुन्छ नि फर्स्ट चाहिँ दे आर द फर्स्ट फाइटर मेरो आँखामा देखेको चाहिँ सबभन्दा फर्स्ट फाइटर चाहिँ मेरो आमा हो क्या
गुड विन भाइ गुड विन
यो चाहिँ मेरो फेभरेट भाइ है फेभरेट भाइ हो जितेको पैसाले आमालाई हस्पिटल लानु छ केटा त्यति हो
कसलाई कसलाई चाहिँ दिने $500 भएर होला
सबले मागे सर तैँले पनि बोनस मागे किन फिलिप्स त सबैभन्दा फर्स्ट राउन्डमा मेरो मात्रै भएको अरू भएको
होइन मैले क्या भन्नु
अरू साइड भएको छैन
छैन
त्यसो भए मैले भन्नु सेकेन्ड
होइन तिमी त $500 मजी अरे तिमी त
मैले केज प्रेसर दिइरहेको थिएँ त्यही पनि कस्तो हानेको भ्याङ हानेको म त सक्दैन कि जस्तो पनि भयो कता कता तर घन्टा सक्दैन मार्दिन्छ हारे जस्तो पनि गर्थ्यो कि तर कस्तो
कुन राउन्डमा स्टप गर्यो
फर्स्ट राउन्डमा
होइन कुन राउन्डमा स्टप गर्यो
सेकेन्डमा चोक हो नि कहाँ स्टप हो चोक हाल्नु
So Prabal is firing next. You train hard for this man.
Start collection. I got it. Can you hold this? I'm ready. Let's go. Okay, let's finish. Stop.
Robert, don't try to hold him. Don't try to hold him. Change. Let's go guys. Change. Level change. Put the team down. Level change, feints. You know that overhand and left kick is coming. Feints, more level change. You know that overhand and left kick is coming all day. Yes, he's reacting to your feints and he's already loading his left kick. Off to your right. No problem. Check that next time or counter it. He's loading too much, bro. Let's get in now. Let's get in rather than fighting in long. It's to work. That's your level change. Or alley cross. Now push him to the cage. Jab overhand. Move with him, Prabal. Look for the knee tuck as he circles out. Look. Let's go off your strike or on his strike. Yup. Double up. Don't back up so fast. Just one back step and level change. Hands high. Push him to the cage. Use that. You got 55 seconds. Push him.
It's there.
Jab overhand and push him to the cage. Get your head out. Sweep. Out like outside sweep.
Yes! 30 sec, guys, 20 sec.
Position. Trouble, position. Disengage, hands up. It's okay, no problem. Disengage. Position first, but don't get hurry. Don't be in hurry to finish the get a submission. Now, feint takedown, overhand. Let's go.
15 seconds left.
Sit if you want to. Pull your hands back.
Get some water.
Okay? No, stay tight with your punches. You're also overextending with your hands. Okay? Anything you have? Striking mark.
Step back. Cross is there.
Cross or step back and a level change. But don't shoot too low. Just body lock and push him to the cage and then start chaining the takedowns from there. Okay? Stay. Now we're gonna push the pace more. Okay? The moment you feel he's slowing down, we're gonna take that. Good. Let's go.
फेन्स ज्याप पनि चल्यो
And four more punches, show him, and then whenever you're ready, throw that takedown. Okay? Push him to the cage. Let's go. You got this. We can finish him, but position first. What happened last 10 seconds? You don't want that in the mid round. Okay? If you go for submission, go in the last 10 seconds. But if you know 100% in your heart you can finish it, go for it. Alright?
Alright, let's go.
But make sure you keep your left hand high. It's low. Keep your left hand high. No problem. To your right, to your right. Now left. Let's go. Feint more. Feint more. Stay in your boxing range, trouble. Don't be in his kicking range. Or all the way out. You can also chop his legs.
It's there, yep.
Set up. Stay patient. You'll get that takedown. Let's go work. Trouble, let's take him down. Let's go. Forward. Stay tight with your hands. Push him to the cage. Hands high. Be patient, Prabal. Push him to the cage. Double up your jab on your strike or off his strike. Double up. Jab, overhand and push him. Crash into him. Let's go. Jab, overhand. Just throw that overhand. Hey! Push him to the cage, Prabal.
Hi, jab.
Keep your hands high. Prabal, look for that takedown, level change. Push him to your double up. Jab, overhand. Jab, overhand. Yes. Oi, move with him. Forward. Stay in that boxing range or all the way out. Again, level change. He'll get more impatient. Level change.
Use a jab.
Keep your hands
Use your
high.
jab.
Hands high. Now feint the low level change and overhand. But jab. Yeah, that.
It's there. Right hand is there.
50 seconds, Prabal. Let's go. One takedown. We're gonna get one takedown. Forward. You gotta go in this time. Let's go.
Yeah.
Bro, jab over and get in. Let's go.
But you just want to win or you want to finish it? What? Finish. So you want to take him down and finish him. Striking is going to be 50-50, bro. Okay? Striking is going to be 50-50. Now you're going to early rush him, okay? Not rush him, but you're going to go for the takedown a little faster, okay? And now once you get him down, you're going to chain it. You're not going to try to hold him, you're going to move with him, okay? And get a better position. We'll finish him. You'll get the sub. You'll get the sub or TKO. Just trust me, okay? Listen to me, trust me, and go in fast. Look for a takedown ASAP now. Okay? But bait him, make him relax. Let's go. Last round. We'll finish him, okay? We'll finish him. Just believe me, believe in yourself. Okay? Let's go. What you gonna do? Finish. Yeah? We're gonna be more urgent for the takedown and put him down. Not trying to hold him, but we're gonna take him down and when you get that single leg, right? Go for the high single. What we decided, high single.
Yes. Double up your jab and overhand. And push him to the cage. High single. Watch the left kick. Hands high. Level change. As he extends. Watch the kick. Prabal, stay patient. Let's go. Oi, hands high. Let's go. You go with your jab. Prabal, you go with your jab. Push him to the cage. Let's go forward. Jab. Bro, set up the fucking takedown. Let's go. We got 2 minutes. Set up the takedown. Feint the look. Oi, feint the takedown overhand. Keep your left hand high. Hey! Now take him down. Feint, take him down. Feint again. Hands high. Feint and go for the shoot. Go for the double leg. 1 minute, Prabal, bro. Hands high. Level change. Height. 1 minute 10 seconds. 1 minute 10 seconds. Chop is low kick. Low kick.
More.
More jab. More jab. Let's go.
Hey, double jab. Double jab.
Double jab. Low kick. Low kick. He's too high.
Bhai, double jab.
50 seconds. Let's go forward. Trouble forward. Level change. Forward. Right hand up. Forward. Let's go, bro.
40 seconds.
Keep your hands high. Level. Bro, one takedown. 40 seconds. Bro, that's the time. Take the takedown overhand. Take the takedown overhand. Take the takedown overhand. Take
Bum,
the
bum.
takedown overhand.
Yes. Jab.
Go.
Yes. More jab.
Let's go.
Go.
Congrats. Are you proud of him?
Sir, I don't know. Yeah, I'm proud of him. Sir, the guy was chubby and short. They were take down in a
हो गाह्रो हुन्छ ज्याब देखेनौ त्यहाँ ज्याब देखेनौ म ज्याबको कुरा गर्दैछु चेक हुकको कुरा गर्दैछु यहाँ चेक हुक यस्तो दामी हाल्यो ज्याब त आँखै सुनाइदिइसक्यो ज्याबले आई नेभर थट यु वुड बी ज्याबिङ क्रेजी अल क्रेडिट टु यु म्यान आई स्वेयर क्रेडिट टु यु ब्रो लभ यु म्यान लक एन्ड रोल बक्सिङ कोच हो म्यान
Good win. Bye-bye. How do you feel?
Good day. Last one was excited for it. राम्रो थियो ज्याब
राम्रो थियो नि man.
पप भइरहेको थियो
It's like you were the boxer over there. त्यसको हातभन्दा तिम्रो हात साफ देखिरहेको थियो.
थ्याङ्क यू भेरी मच रियली ग्रेसियस है तपाईँले गर्दा भेरी बक्सिङमा चाहिँ
So Prabal and Thor got the fight of the night title. So I am back home finally. What an entertaining night. The most important thing for a fighter, even more important than a win, is to go back home safe and meet their family or whatever. I hope ki sabai fighters they are safe, and that's it for today guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my side of POV from the ringside, and see you guys next time. Adios. भएन यो त के इन्डस्ट्री भन्छ त्यो
अलिक इन्टेन्सन छुट्टै थियो
के हो